Hi everyone, welcome to this series of videos around the cloud. We talk a lot about that, but what is it exactly? What are the challenges ahead in this big picture of tech and data? And you know that within Natixis and Natixis research, the tech and data is a big push these days, how we can support best our client to help into this digitalization, which is a big thing these days. This series of videos that we are going to see is about the cloud, what are the challenges, where we stand within Europe and worldwide, who are the big actors into this sector. First thing first, we will be discussing with Michael Feldstein what is it all about, what are the challenges, why the data, which is of utmost importance these days, has to be a center in every enterprise these days strategy, and how is it organized, what are the big challenges. Then we are going to see how Europe is doing with Eric Benoit, our second specialist within Natixis research on tech and data, to see where we stand. Europe is a little bit behind in this regard on average. Some are very well positioned, in particular in the Nordic countries. But on average, Europe is a little bit lagging behind, but accelerating fast. We see that very much. And we have this European project, Gaia X, to try to be less dependent on the big players, on the GAFAM, obviously, on that segment. So this is something very interesting to see, this Gaia X project, what is the push and the challenge there. We are going to see as well, to discuss what could be the challenges in terms of infrastructures of tech, in a way. And there is, to finish with, a big challenge regarding this, I would say, fight between the big tech companies like the GAFAM on one side, and the other side, the traditional historical telecom company, which has a lot to propose as well. I think of the 5 and 6G. So all this around what we call the edge computing is very much a big challenge and a big fight between these two types of actors, big actors with hands full of money in a way, and we see that is going to be very challenging going ahead, with on one side all this data that the tech companies have in their portfolio in a way, and the other side you see that the telecom with the 5G, 6G, they have all it takes to gather a lot of data as well. So there is a bit of a leeway between these two, and that encapsulates very well what's going on the cloud in a way. All these series are obviously within the global context of Natixis push toward tech and data. This is a big thing these days. We are trying to accompany our clients and towards some digital transition in a way. We are working these days as well with the Boston Consulting Group on a big inquiry regarding our clients' positioning towards digitalization. We will be publishing a paper following on that, on a survey to be published before the summer. To finish this series of video, so heads on clouds.